Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This time we have a little more of a beginner topic, and that is if and how you can change the face on your Apple Watch. If the question is if it's possible, then of course it totally is, but there are some things to know about it. If you're new to the Apple Watch, you'll definitely find this useful. First of all, yes, you can change the watch face, which is, by the way, the first main page that shows up every time you look at the watch. Although you can change and customize it, it can only be changed to one of the Apple's built-in designs. So we don't have complete freedom of choosing a specific watch face. The selection of faces to pick from is really big. You can find them on your iPhone, inside the watch application. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the face gallery. And from these, you can add any face that you like to your Apple Watch. Then on the watch itself, you can hold down on the current one you have and swipe through those that are already added on the watch. From the watch itself, you can also choose and add a new one if you wish. Besides that, you have some options for customization, depending on the specific watch face we're talking about. Some can be tweaked to change the color, while others have spaces for complications, which are these small widgets around it. So that's the basic approach. I hope I explained it well. If there's anything you want to say or add, like an insight you might have, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you like these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.